Hey, what's going on? This is your boy B. Welcome to episode 3 of Food is Life. And I have none other. You already know, Chef J Rob. What's going on, Chef J Rob?
Man, look, it's Food is Life. We got the gloves on.
Okay.
We went to, a little surgery in the kitchen. As you can see, this is for all my ladies trying to get slim thick, you know what I'm saying? Trying to slim down, weight loss. Anything that you need is on this table. Everything that you could possibly ever think of is right here laid out for you, and I'm gonna show you how to put it together.
And also the fellas too,
Oh yeah, for all my guys,
Absolutely.
you know what I'm saying? You've been bulking up, trying to shred down, or just trying to maintain the figure. This is same great meal prep portions. Just vary, you know what I'm saying, according to however you're trying to diet. But this is definitely for anyone.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and dig into it. All right, we'll see you guys on.
Alright guys, so today we have lots of great meal prep variety options for you. This is for all my ladies, trying to watch your weight, trying to slim down a little bit. This is a great weight loss meal prep for all my guys. You did a lot of bulking in off season, trying to shred it up, watch your figure. This meal prep will be great for you as well. Protein will be chicken and salmon, lots of colorful vegetables, great nutrients and antioxidants that will definitely get you the way that you want to be this season. So stay tuned.
We have a gourmet hot pocket. As Chef J Rob has explained and shared with me, was that it's very convenient. This is the 4-time. It has cheddar cheese, spinach, cream cheese. Just fold it in there, flaky pastry. You know what I'm talking about? This is like, hot pocket. It's like the first floor, right? You know what I mean? And this is like the 50th floor. You know what I'm talking about? So. Go ahead and pop this in. Makes it really super convenient.
Alright, so another key that we got to mention in the kitchen, you gotta move quick, efficient, you wanna save time. But another thing is you wanna be organized. Organization is gonna be key when you're meal prepping. You're doing a lot of cooking in the kitchen, so you need a prep station. So right now we finished up with our apples, beets, and carrots. We're going ahead and move this to our prep station. I'm gonna go ahead and scoop this out the pan. Okay, so the key, when you finish with your rice, there's still maybe a little bit water in it. That's perfectly fine. You want to let it sit off the eye, and then you want to let the rice naturally absorb the water. That's how you get that nice fluffy white rice or wild rice, whatever you are cooking.
Stay tuned to our vegan and vegetarian meal prep on Food is Life.